Okay, this is room 474 at the Hilton Paris Opera. This is not the original room we booked, but we are tired and we need a room. So it's a king-size bed. There's telephone, light switches, USB switch or USB ports right by the bed, and these cool little lamps. And then TV, desk with more USB, and then an adapter, or I guess outlet here. Chair, table, and then this room is like a closet room. So the closet has a little coffee service, mini bar, refrigerator with a mini bar, then a suitcase stand, and then the actual closet has ironing board, and hangers and shelves. And then the bathroom is quite large, and it actually has a window as well. Then the sink with the natural like Hilton products. Oh wow, I haven't slept in 24 hours. Then toilet with the low flush and full-size shower with like a rain shower head. And let's see if I can, oh, and there's a mirror. Let's see if I can open this. It looks like this does open a little bit if you want some fresh air, just a very tiny bit. And then if you go and look outside, here's the view. So this is a courtyard, or actually not even a courtyard, but it just views the ceiling of the hotel. And this is room 4.